Do you ever get the feeling that the universe is trying to tell you something? It's trying to guide you somewhere great? Dr. Joe Dispenza is a well-known expert on how the mind influences the body, and he tells us that the universe is always conspiring in our favor. It's when we are in harmony with the force that miracles are allowed to occur. Discover 7 highly potent signs showing that the universe on your account is getting ready to repay. They are all little hints, signs that good things are coming. As we go on this journey through this blog together, we will unveil these signals together, interpret them, and see what the universe has in store for you and your fate. 1. Intense gut-level feeling. Have you ever felt a really weird, tingly sensation in your stomach because you think something huge is going to go down? It is not just an intuition. It is a powerful feeling and almost an impulse from the universe to help you on your way to achieve them. It's like an animalistic, that one of everything is being called off towards their fate kind of feeling, like the universe is winking at you that you are on the perfect trajectory. Listen to your visceral reactions. This is a strong indication that you are on the right path to achieving your dreams than you expect. Remember how that feels and follow where it brings you. 2. Feeling limitless and worthy. And you'll find that as you follow this gut instinct, it will begin to create a change in how you think. All sudden, nothing is restraining you anymore. This feeling of richness and desirability is a major signal that the universe is getting ready to benefit you. So you start shifting away from scarcity thinking and leaning into the belief that you are worthy. Therefore, it is important to make this change because the universe always responds to it, how we perceive ourselves. By expressing the pleasure of being, you become a magnet of all your desires. Know that you are worthy, and let the universe do its work. 3. Collapsing space and time. In fact, something amazing starts to happen as you grow your self-worth. Suddenly, your dreams seem much more achievable. You no longer feel like you are the eternal underdog. You feel like victory is already inevitable. You are simply waiting for it to arrive. And once this happens, when the universe is lining everything up for you, time and space will turn into a blur. If you will use this viewpoint, 4 things that you wish will occur to you. When you start to literally imagine your goals as if they are right in front of you, you are going to start to bring them to you. The more minds collectively shifted in this direction, the more this makes the impossible possible. 4. Belief in worthiness. As you journey onwards, you learn that your value of yourself is the foundation. The universe responds to us in the way we believe we deserve, planting a seed of gratitude and a continuous attitude of I am abundance worthy, and I open the door to receive more witnesses the garden of gods that surrounds us all in all of its self-fruitfulness. It is like planting a seed in a nutrient-rich ground. The more you believe you are worthy, the more you are able to receive. This changes the way you look at things, and suddenly you find new ways of doing things, opportunities that were not there before. Timing. The more you believe this, the more you will see the universe respond to your belief as well. 5. Personal transformation. This is a powerful transformation that happens when you believe in your right to receive. Something begins to transform inside of you, and this transformation then starts to show in your outside world. The first step is to become conscious of the thoughts, actions, and emotions you display in your life. But what comes next is the act of consciously shifting them to match your desires. I like to think of it as a cleanser for the brain and life once you get rid of all the excess and pave the way for the new. Although getting the universe to do its thing is nice, personal transformation is about shaping yourself to be the person most worthy of receiving what you are sent. You will see your life and hence your experience of reality shifting as you do. 6. Power of emotional resonance. During your self-discovery journey, you will unlock the amazing force of your emotions. Emotions are the energy that powers attractions. By consistently feeling the feelings of your desired future, you bring it closer. This is the practice of being in vibrational alignment with the joy, the love, and the excitement of your desire. The act of aligning your inner state with your outer goals every day. When you embody these feelings deeply and often, you put out a powerful energetic signal that sucks your desires into you. Miracles are the language of the universe. Tell them to come to my life by practicing emotions. 7. Serendipity and breaks. And finally, as you get back to your feelings and the change from the inside out, you find real coincidences and open doors. These happenings may seem like a fluke at the moment of any occurrences, but the truth is they are not coincidences. They are indicators that you are synchronized with the universe. Synchronicities confirm you in the belief that you are on the right path, peacefully bullet match your desire results. It may present itself as an unexpected conversation, information that gets to you just in time, opportunities that come out of nowhere, etc. Think of each as a sign that you are headed in the right direction. Listen for these signs as they are the universe telling you that you are beginning to become aligned and in receiving mode. All in all, these 7 signs are just 2 strong signals of an upcoming universe reward. You become in sync with the universal current when you listen for these signs, invoke your worthiness, and become the change. Have faith, know your value, and be open to all the wonderful things that are coming towards you. The universe is always on your side, prepared to create miracles to gift you with.